This is the Pixel 8 Pro, and you guys can book it right now in the US, India, and Europe. There are some great discounts and offers going on which may make you fall for this device. Need Google Pixel 8 Pro. So I saw the comment section and many of you had been asking, should I get the Pixel 8 Pro or the iPhone 15 Pro Max? So this is a basic comparison. I'll clear all your doubts, so make sure to watch it till the end. So first off, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are out of this race because of low refresh rate, dual cameras at its main and wide. Says the Pixel 8 Pro at $999 plus some offers is a far better deal than the iPhone 15 Plus, both in terms of specs and design. But for those who want iOS, iMessage, or have Apple ecosystem products at house or work, can choose the 15 series. So the best from Google, the Pixel 8 Pro starts at $999, so 128 gigs, and $1059 for the 256 gigs variant. Versus the top flagship from Apple, the 15 Pro Max, cost $1199 for 256 6.7-inch display. This is even more immersive, and it's our brightest display yet, with a stunning peak brightness of 2400 nits and a variable refresh rate that intelligently adjusts from your sluggish finish on both with no two desktop side and chain. Yes, iPhone bezels are slightly thinner than the one in Pixel 8 Pro, but that is fine, not noticeable. But thing to notice is that pill-shaped dynamic island on top containing Face ID and selfie shooter versus a small hole bunch selfie shooter. So you play games or watch movies, it is gonna stick there forever, you should note that. So top-notch display specs, the Pixel can max out at 2400 nits in direct sunlight, and iPhone at 2000 nits, so Google is not holding back anymore, they're going all out this time. The design is subjective. There are some small changes in the iPhone, like new colors, an action button which you can assign to perform 9 different functions, and then there's titanium finish on frame which makes it lighter and tough. The icing on cake is a subtle curve finish on the edges which makes it comfy to hold. The Pixel 8 Pro got flat edge and a bluish, porcelain, and black color finish with Cyclops style module. The triple rear Pro camera system gets a new beam sensor with better low-light performance, a bigger ultra-wide lens with even better macro focus, an upgraded telephoto that can capture 56%. The camera specs are quite similar. The iPhone 15 Pro Max finally has 5x zoom camera which can do max 25x and can shoot fantastic images in day and night lighting condition. The night shots are coming out great too. But Pixel 8 Pro is likely on the next level thanks to new sensors, software, and AI changes. The official light samples are looking hot so far, and not to mention Pixel can max 30x, which is insane. I'll have a camera test coming soon, so make sure to subscribe. Now yes, the performance is where Pixel 8 Pro Tensor G3 simply no match for the iPhone 15 Pro Max A17 Pro chip. No doubt both these can do basic day-to-day tasks like calling, message, can run low to high graphic games, but when it comes to rendering or exporting, or games like Genshin Impact or AAA games, iPhone is gonna crush the Pixel 8 Pro. So if you're a basic user like me, Pixel is gonna be a great device, but for gamers, iPhone is the one you should get. Extra 5050 mAh battery with 30 watts of fast charging, and I think with the new Tensor G3 Silicon and A14 OS on top, it is gonna last longer than the Pixel 7 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro Max got a 4441 mAh battery and 23 watts of slow charging, which is disappointing, but that device, the 15 Pro Max, is a powerhouse and went 10 plus hours in the battery days, which is insane. What Android 14, if they want to continue celebrating our users' individuality, and we wanted to really bring that Google magic from new customization. The software is subjective. Me, I like Pixel UI 14 because of clear notifications and deep customization, but iOS 17 is great too. Both these are fluid smooth. This all guys, the Pixel 8 Pro is a decent flagship for those who want to save some and get a decent device with an amazing camera, software and display. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is for those who want the best of all time Pro flagship with amazing power and battery backup, in addition with great set of cameras, display and software support. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.